We're live, and today we're breaking down the playbook for hosting a Zoom meeting, start to finish, like a pro. First quarter, you've got to get Zoom on your device. You head to Zoom US, download the desktop app, install it just like any other program, then fire it up. You sign in with email, Google, whatever lane you like. No account yet? No problem, it's a quick, free sign up and you're in the game. Now we're lined up for step 2. On that home screen, the big orange New Meeting button is staring you down. You click it, decide if your camera's rolling or not, and just like that you're inside your own virtual locker room, ready to host. Time to bring in your teammates. Hit participants at the bottom, then invite. Copy that meeting link and send it by email, text, WhatsApp, however your squad communicates. They click, they join, you're underway. Once the meeting's rolling, you control the action from the bottom left. Mic icon for mute or unmute, camera icon for video on or off. In a big meeting, you ask folks to stay muted unless they're talking, that's your crowd control. Need to present? Hit share screen, pick your full screen or a specific window, and everyone sees what you're showing until you smash stop share. And when the clock hits 0, you slam that red end button, choose End Meeting for All, and walk off like a Zoom champion.